Hey guys, Rom Guruji here, back with another video, and today I'm going to tell you how to start your YouTube journey in 2021 and how to get monetized fast. Now, before we do that, pause this video. Check out my first video, check out my last video. You're going to realize that a lot of things have changed. My setup has changed, my lighting has changed, my audio has changed, and that contributes a lot, and a lot of hard work, and a lot of SEO. And I'm going to teach you all of these things in this video as fast as possible. Now, without further ado, let's start with the video. Let me first tell you why I'm making this video. So when I started my YouTube journey, it was about 9 months back, 0 subscribers, 0 exposure, and 0 knowledge. I struggled the first few months trying to find tags, trying to do SEO, trying to make thumbnails. I didn't know how to do it. But then, slowly I started learning, and recently, about 2 months back, I got monetized. Yes, well, it's not giving a lot of money. That's why you need to subscribe. Please guys, please subscribe. But yes, it is going to give you a lot of pleasure, a lot of happiness, and I want you to get monetized in 2021 so that you can begin your YouTube journey. So what do you need to do? First, content. Make sure you have your content planned. Make sure you know what you're doing. What do you want to do? If you're a person who has a certain niche in mind, cool. Search the videos that already exist in that niche. Now, I'll tell you how to search. They must be asking me, is this dude trying to tell me how to search? Well, yes, searching is an art. And I'll tell you how. It's a very simple thing. All you have to do is go to YouTube search bar and change the filters. What filters are you going to add? You're going to add view count and this week. Why? Because if you're making a video this week, most of the older videos have ranked and deranked. You need the tags that are being ranked this week so that your video also gets ranked. Now you're going to find a lot of videos. Find the video closest to your topic, closest to your niche. Now that you have that video, go click on the video. But wait, you need to download apps that will allow you to copy these tags or even see these tags. Well, worry not. Link down in the description to TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy will allow you to check your SEO scores, to check your thumbnails, and allows you to copy the tags in videos, which is very important for your SEO. Now that you have that out of the way, let's get back. You're on the video, you see that it has a good view count, it has good SEO score. What do? You copy all the tags. Wait, is he telling us to copy everything? Don't copy everything. Copy the tag. Make sure you have your own content. Never copy content. Rule number 1 for YouTube, never copy content. Have original content, otherwise you're not going to get. Once you're done with that, what we are going to do is now we're going to make a video. What do you have to do in a video? You already have your tags ready, you already have your idea ready. What about the video? Make a script. Are you done with the script? Well, if you're not, pause the video. No, don't pause the video. It's not one of those videos. Let's continue. Let's say you have a good script, you have everything ready. Now we're coming to the camera. The camera should basically focus on you. If you're showing your face, you should be the main point of attention. You should be the main focus. One of the major things that people told me when I started was, hey, you are out of focus. Yes, don't be out of focus, be the center of attraction in your video if it is about you talking. If it's about a device, make sure the device also gets the attention. But yes, make sure you are visible in the center stage. If your alignment is wrong, a lot of viewers' attention will go to something else, so make sure you're that. Second, audio. Audio is very important in a YouTube video. When I started, my audio was really bad and a lot of people started watching my video, got irritated because of the audio and went away. Don't do that mistake. Make sure you have good audio in your videos. And if you're worried that the mics are very costly, they're not. They're genuinely not. Most of the mics are really cheap. They start from anywhere from $250 and can go to 5,000. But you don't need a 5,000 mic to start your journey. Make sure you have a simple but good mic. Now, you must be thinking, hey, where will I get those mics? Down in the description, bro. We have all the links down there. Go check it out, right? So once you have your mic set up, once you have your camera set up, now we're talking about the lights. So if you're a newbie, lights might be a costly thing for you. What do? You shoot outside, you go outdoors. Why? Because natural light is the best lighting. You know that golden hour stuff, don't shoot at golden hours, it's difficult to get the lighting right. Shoot at your normal daylight and you're going to have a beautiful, beautiful video. You're going to be in a good center of focus and you can get a good bokeh effect too. Now once we have all of this started, go shoot that video. Maybe it takes one take, maybe it takes two takes, maybe it takes three takes. Once you're done with that video, that is where the whole process starts, right? So first, make a small introduction. It might be anything, right? Let it be a 30-second clipping of all the videos you have made in one quick succession. It looks really nice. Make sure there are good titles and it is attractive to the guy. Why? Because those 10 seconds are going to decide whether the person stays to watch your video or skips ahead, right? Once you're done with that, in your editing, make sure you don't oversaturate your video or you don't undersaturate your video. Your video should look as clean as possible. It does not need to have too many boosted colors. And contrary to the popular opinion, a yellowish video color does not look good on video, right? Once you're done with all of that, right, make sure you've added titles, make sure you've added chapters, make sure your video does not become grainy. How do you do that? Don't over edit it, don't oversaturate it, don't add artificial brightness too much, don't add too much artificial lighting. Also make sure your camera's ISO is not too high because that will ruin your video because it will make it grainy. Once you're done with all of this, this is where the SEO magic is going to happen. Once you're on YouTube, you've started uploading your video, now it comes to decide the title, description and tags. Like we said in the first step, our tags are already ready, our video description needs to be ready, the title needs to be ready. So you have an idea in your mind, right? All you have to do, paste your tags in the tags column. Once you're done, you'll see which tags are ranking. Why? TubeBuddy, links down in the description. Once you're done with that, all you have to do, right? All you have to do is find the most ranked tag and make sure to include that in your title. Why? It will make your video rank faster. Another trick that you're going to do, you're going to go to the bottom of your description and you're going to copy paste all the tags in your description. Why? Again, it will make your video rank faster. Now, in the first few lines of your video, what you're going to do is you're going to add what you say in the description. Why? Because YouTube converts everything into text. And if your description matches your video, you're going to rank faster. Now, once you're done with all of this, comes the thumbnail part. And that is important. Why? A lot of times, people don't click on a video because the thumbnail is not nice. What do you mean? Thumbnail should look professional. People should think, okay, this YouTuber is experienced, I want to go have a look. Or this seems interesting, I want to go have a look. How are you going to do that? Well, it's a very simple thing. You can use apps like Canva and other few apps. Again, links down below, go check them out. All you have to do is you have to take a simple snapshot, or let's say you're explaining a gadget, maybe the photo of the gadget. So your topic should be highlighted in your thumbnail, but it also should look creative. Use colorful things if it's a very fun topic, or use black and white, monochrome, dark colors if it's a serious topic. What this will do is this will react to the person's psyche. They'll think that, yeah, okay, this looks very colorful, funny thing, let's go have a look, I'm in a good mood. Or maybe they are in a mundane and a dark mood, they have a look at that, depending on what your video is. But the person should understand what the video is about from the thumbnail itself without reading your title. If that happens, that means you have a good thumbnail. Now, once all of this is done, upload it. Now, once you upload it, another thing that you need to do is you need to share it. Why? A lot of people, including me, think that, sharing it to people might make fun of me. People might think I'm an idiot. Well, let them think whatever they want. When you become famous, these are the same people who are going to come to you and tell you, okay, feature me, right? So you need to take all of these into consideration, because every time someone even opens your video, plays through 30 seconds or 1 minute of it, you're going to get 1 view. And every time this happens, YouTube sees you, the algorithm sees you, and you move ahead and ahead. Slowly, the first few videos might not be that big of a hit, but slowly, you start getting views, you start going ahead, and before you know it, you're monetized. Now, a few important things if you want to get monetized, like do's and don'ts. Don't copy titles, don't copy videos. If you're using content from some other uh, video, make sure you have your original commentary on it. Otherwise, you will not get monetized. Also, if you're using music, make sure you use copyright free music and copyright free images in your video, or someone can make a copyright claim. And if you get a copyright claim, you cannot be monetized. Make sure you're following everything according to the community guidelines of YouTube. That is, don't don't do sub for sub, view for view, or getting paid views or getting paid subs. I know these services make the work seem very easy, but YouTube closes channels who do this. So make sure you do not do this, or you're going to face a ban. After that, other community guidelines: don't abuse in your video. If you abuse in your video, you will get demonetized. What does demonetize means? That video cannot be monetized, right? No nudity, no sexual content, and no content like earn 1000 rupees for free. That doesn't work. YouTube doesn't like it. You'll get a strike, right? And don't use malicious links in your video. A lot of these links that can pay you for someone going to them, these are advertising links. They are not allowed on YouTube, and if you put them, you might get a strike. So make sure you don't do that. And if you follow all these steps to the T, I am sure you're going to get monetized soon. And if you do, make sure you comment down below and tell me your journey. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Rom Guruji signing off. Bye bye.